Welcome back. An FIR has been filed against separatist leader Masrat Alam and others for raising anti-India slogans and hoisting the Pakistani flag in a rally in Srinagar on Wednesday. The recently released hardliner had organized a welcome rally for Syed Ali Shah Gilani. Upon his return to the valley after several months in the capital, the supporters of Masrat Alam waved Pakistani flags near the office of the State Director General of Police. The separatists have been booked under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Masrat Alam had been released from jail soon after Chief Minister Mufti took over, and his latest provocation is expected to only test the dwindling PDP-BJP ties even further.
We have arranged a reception for Syed Ali Gilani. So people from different parts of Valley visited that place, and somebody has hoisted Pakistani flag, and this is not for the first time. It has been here from 1947, so there is no crime in this. What is wrong with this if anybody has hoisted Pakistani flag?
You yourself chanted the slogans in favor of Pakistan.
Yes, I used to do so.
And police has filed FIR against you.
There are many FIRs against me. One more addition, nothing.
You had been for the long time in the prison. Probably if there could be some kind of pressure from the government, you can be arrested again on this FIR. Are you ready for that also?
Yes, I am not worried about arresting me or releasing me. I am not worried about it. It's nothing new for me.
जो अब जंग कश्मीर में चल रही थी पहले, जो मिलिट्री और मिलिटेंसी के बीच थी यहाँ पे जंग, अब ये सेपरेटिज्म और मेन स्ट्रीम पर पहुँच गई है. फ्रॉम वायलेंस इट हैज शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम वायलेंस टू नॉन वायलेंट स्टेज नाउ. तो ये एक आइडियोलॉजिकल बैटल है जिसको आप आइडिया से ही लड़ सकते हैं.
इट हैपेंस. इन लोगों की जगह सलाखों के पीछे है और ये सलाखों के पीछे जाएंगे. पीडीपी और बीजेपी नहीं चाहती कि ऐसे नारे लगाए जाएं, ऐसे झंडे फहराए जाएं और उन्हें खुलेआम छूट दे दी जाए. हम आपको जो विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि ये लोग जो हैं वो सलाखों.
Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Nirmal Singh spoke to TV Today Network's managing editor Rahul Kamal on the PDP Masrat issue in our last night's primetime show, The Newsroom.
What does the government have to say about Masrat Alam out on bail, raising pro-Pakistan slogans, waving the Pakistani flag on Indian soil, sir?
We have lodged a FIR, and definitely the police will take action at the right time.
इस वाक्य को आए अब कई घंटे हो गए. इतनी देर में आपकी पुलिस इतनी लाचार क्यों है? अब तक मसरत आलम जेल में क्यों नहीं बैठा है, सर?
You please see the situation. You have seen the people mob there. That will take appropriate action at an appropriate time. You wait for the police to take action at an appropriate time.
पर डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब, लोग तो यही कहेंगे ना कि चूंकि आपकी सरकार थोड़ी कमजोर रही, क्योंकि मुफ्ती सईद की इतनी हमदर्दी है सेपरेटिस्ट के प्रति, इस वजह से आपकी सरकार कड़ाई से कदम नहीं ले रही है. वरना आपको क्या चिंता? आपको जाके अरेस्ट करना चाहिए इसको फौरन.
FIR लगा है, पुलिस जो है एक्शन करेगी और जब भी मौका मिलेगा एक्शन होगा.
मुझे टाइमलाइन बताइए. 12 घंटे चाहिए आपकी सरकार को, 24 घंटे, 48 घंटे, कितना वक्त चाहिए इस आतंकवादी को अरेस्ट करने के लिए?
Take its own course. We have to act considering the local situation, everything into consideration. I can't give you the timeline. We'll act and we'll act firmly.